So I'm going to talk about 3 things that make your photos stand out in terms of styling and wardrobe. So the first thing is consider the dress and the outfit you want to use. How does that work with your location? We're going with a red dress to go with our red location. For hair, I decided to go with a red wig as opposed to a green wig or another coloured wig, just because I wanted her to feel like a flower brought to life. And I thought that it worked beautifully with the hair and her skin tone. Third tip was adding flowers to her hair, and that's really we can get crafty and add that little bit of a handmade crafty touch. We threw some yellow flowers along with a bit of orange just to add contrast as well and a bit of warmth to her face. We also threw in some gold leaf as well for that extra added warmth. So when you're styling your next photo shoot, consider these tips: how the dress works with the location, what you're going to do with the hair, and what you can add with your hands, because that will add that little bit of extra touch to your photos. If you want to learn more, then check out my class on CreativeLive.com.